The Mitsubishi EKX is a notable entry in the K-car segment, designed with an urban lifestyle in mind while offering advanced technology and excellent fuel efficiency. It's a compact yet surprisingly spacious vehicle that blends modern Japanese engineering with practicality, making it a perfect fit for city dwellers who demand agility, affordability, and a touch of style in their daily drives. At the heart of the Mitsubishi EKX is a highly efficient powertrain. The latest model is available in both naturally aspirated and mild hybrid variants, powered by a 659cc 3-cylinder DOHC engine. The mild hybrid version comes with an integrated motor assist system, which uses an electric motor and lithium-ion battery to support the engine during acceleration and improve fuel economy. The engine is mated to a CVT, continuously variable transmission, which ensures smooth power delivery and optimal fuel efficiency in various driving conditions. The vehicle is available in both front-wheel drive 2WD and all-wheel drive 4WD options, providing flexibility for different driving needs and weather conditions. From the outside, the EKX presents a bold and rugged design for a K-car. Its compact dimensions meet the Japanese K-car regulations, yet the vehicle maintains a commanding presence thanks to its SUV-inspired styling. The front fascia features Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield grille, accented by sharp LED headlights and a muscular bumper design. Contrasting color schemes and roof rails give the car a sportier and more adventurous look, setting it apart from the traditionally conservative K-car styling. Inside, the EKX offers a surprisingly roomy and tech-rich cabin. Despite its small footprint, Mitsubishi has maximized interior space to comfortably accommodate 4 adults. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, with rear seats that can slide and recline to adjust legroom and cargo space. The dashboard features a modern design with a clean layout, dominated by a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a high-tech flair, while touch-based climate controls and premium-looking materials elevate the overall feel of the cabin. Mitsubishi has also focused heavily on safety, equipping the EKX with a host of advanced driver assistance systems. The vehicle includes forward collision mitigation (FCM), lane departure warning (LDW), lane departure prevention (LDP), and blind spot warning (BSW). The EKX is also equipped with adaptive cruise control, which is a rare feature in the K-car class. Mitsubishi's MI Pilot single-lane driver assistance technology integrates lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control to reduce driver stress during highway commutes. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system assist in navigating tight urban spaces, while automatic high beams and road sign recognition contribute to an even safer driving experience. When it comes to convenience and utility, the EKX is filled with thoughtful touches. Multiple storage compartments are integrated throughout the cabin, including cup holders, door pockets, and a spacious glove box. The rear seats split and fold to create a flat cargo area, making it easier to carry larger items despite the vehicle's compact size. There are also charging ports for mobile devices, and some variants offer keyless entry with push-button start, further enhancing user comfort and convenience. Underneath the skin, the EKX is built on the Mitsubishi-Nissan joint-developed K-car platform, which provides a strong foundation for comfort and stability. The suspension is tuned to absorb road imperfections well, offering a relatively smooth ride for such a small car. The turning radius is impressively tight, making U-turns and tight parking maneuvers a breeze. Despite being designed primarily for city driving, the EKX handles highway speeds decently, especially with the mild hybrid motor assisting during acceleration and maintaining cruising efficiency. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Mitsubishi EKX stands out. The mild hybrid system enhances overall economy by regenerating energy during deceleration and braking. The engine start-stop system also reduces fuel consumption during idling. Depending on the variant and drive system, the fuel economy can range between 20 to 30 km per liter under the Japanese JC08 test cycle, which translates to substantial savings on fuel costs for daily commuters. In the infotainment and connectivity department, the EKX does not disappoint. The infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen that controls audio, navigation, and smartphone connectivity. Bluetooth, USB ports, and hands-free phone functionality come standard in most variants. The audio system, although not high-end, delivers crisp and clear sound suitable for casual listening during daily commutes. Mitsubishi has ensured that even in a budget-conscious K-car, users don't miss out on essential modern conveniences. The EKX also comes in several trim levels and special editions, offering different combinations of features and finishes to match customer preferences. Whether you prioritize economy, technology, or a bit of off-road styling flair, there's a variant tailored for your taste. Some special edition models include exclusive alloy wheels, color packages, or additional interior enhancements like faux leather upholstery and decorative accents on the dashboard and doors. Environmentally, the EKX aligns well with Japan's emission standards and environmental priorities. The mild hybrid system contributes to lower CO emissions compared to traditional gasoline-only vehicles, making it a more sustainable choice for eco-conscious buyers. Mitsubishi's production of the EKX also reflects their commitment to energy-efficient manufacturing processes and recyclable materials. Overall, the Mitsubishi EKX is more than just a K car. It's a well-rounded, technologically advanced, and thoughtfully designed urban vehicle. Its blend of SUV aesthetics, efficient performance, practical interior, and comprehensive safety systems makes it one of the most appealing choices in its category. For those seeking a reliable, stylish, and intelligent compact car for daily use, the EKX delivers excellent value without compromising on modern features and driving comfort. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets, parking in tight spaces, or enjoying a weekend drive, the EKX offers a smart and satisfying solution to modern urban mobility.